Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today, I will show you how to make yummy steam buns. Here are the ingredients. In a large bowl, add yeast, sugar, and water, and mix it well. Then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or when it's bubbly. In another bowl, add the flour, salt, and cumin seed powder and mix well. Now gradually mix the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients. Add green onions and mix well. If you find while you're mixing the flour or the ingredient is sticky, you can always add extra flours, as I've done here. Once it's mixed well, start kneading and do it for 10 minutes. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil here. And we're going to continue kneading. Then let it sit for 60 minutes wrapped up in warm towel. After 60 minutes, sprinkle flour on a clean surface and knead for another 10 minutes. Then roll it out and cut even sizes. If you want large steam buns, you can do 8 pieces, or for smaller for smaller steam buns, cut 16 pieces. Roll out each dough and make sure you're rolling the sides and not the middle. The middle needs to be thick in order to have a proper, beautiful looking steam bun. Now add the filling of your choice. Here I'm using minced chicken. Start folding from one side until you've gone all around. I may not be professional here, so mine may not look too clean, but again, this is how we learn. So play around if you need to, make it in a different pattern if you want to. This is how I've done here. Now I'm using a bamboo rack made for steaming. I was able to find parchment papers that went well with the rack. Grease the rack to prevent the stickiness. And then in a pot or steamer, add water and vinegar. It's important to add vinegar to keep the color of the bun white. Now let it boil. And add the rack one by one. Note I'm also dabbing oil on the buns as well in order to make sure it's not sticking. Cook for 10 minutes. Drain the water and let it sit for another 10 minutes. There you have it, steamy, yummy buns. A tip to keep it fresh if you're going to be eating it the next day: sprinkle water on tissue, wrap your buns on that tissue, and microwave it for 30 seconds to a minute. And when you take it out, it will be as fresh as if you've just made it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more, comment if you want filling ideas, and like if you enjoyed. Take care.